Hello guys, welcome back with another video, and today we are going to be fixing my brother's Xbox because it keeps on shutting off, and I want to exactly show you how to fix it. So what you want to do is go to your power supply, plug it out, everything connected to it, like your plug to your power switch, plug that out, the plug that lets you turn on your Xbox, and keep this switch on, and plug this, your power cord, out. Focus. Okay. But plug everything out for at least an hour, and what you want to do next is after that hour, I want you to turn it back on. And I want you to plug your power supply plug back in. Let me just find it. Oh, so it's right here. This is your power supply that plugs into your power, like for it to turn on. Not sure if I can do this. My brother's room is a mess. So hold on. Let me just do that real quick. So plug it in nice and tight. And then what you want to do is get this plug. It's kind of hard because it's tight back here. I want you to plug this back in. See how it turns on? Now, get this plug, your power plug, plug it back in, and it'll go white. And then usually it'll just turn back on. Like, it's resetting, so it might turn orange. See, like that. And this is pretty much it. And what you want to do is turn your Xbox back on. There you go. Focus. There you go. And oh god, how do you? Oh. But anyways, I hope you enjoy this video, but let me show you, because it is currently plugging back in. I let him use my mic and my new controller, because I just got a new controller. So this is a cool controller. It's the Dark Vertex. And this is purple. You can't usually tell if it's purple or not, but it is. So it's coming, and I'm sorry for the quality. It's pretty bad. Look at this comfortable chair. I like to sit in it. Usually I come in his room to sit on here and chill. Makes a lot of squeaky noise. And happy or Merry Christmas for all of y'all, because I'm waiting for Christmas really bad. So, what you want to do next is, just for extra stuff, if you want to actually fix it, can't get into an angle. Oh, there we go. So, what you want to do next is go to your settings, okay, and what you want to do is go to general, go to your power mode and startup, and if you don't have it on don't turn off automatically, then it might screw up. And then restart your Xbox. And then when it restarts, you want to turn it off and then wait for another hour. So, I hope you most likely enjoyed this video. And, yeah. Bye-bye.